I welcome you all to our online CLAT Marathon 2024 with, tug of war between the governor and the state government of Delhi, and regarding a bill. Greetings everyone. On behalf of Pathshala family, I welcome you all to our online CLAT Marathon 2024 which is for UG CLAT 2024. आज हमारी सीरीज का लेक्चर नंबर 5 है and today we would be discussing very hot topic which is currently in the news and which has been a main topic of debate at the Supreme Court as well. So let's start. So today we would be dealing with NCT of Delhi, that is National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Bill 2023. So basically the question of power sharing between Delhi government and the central government was there. Who has more power over whom, or who is having this particular power over this particular subjects. Okay, so let's start. The background जान लेते हैं इसका क्या background रहा है. On 11th May, Supreme Court granted the government of Delhi control. Supreme Court ने Delhi government of Delhi को control दिया था over most services in the capital except for public order, land and public matters. Okay. However, on 19th May, the central government introduced an ordinance that allowed the Delhi government to recommend matters related to transfer of posting, vigilance and other issues to the Delhi Lieutenant Government, that is Lieutenant Governor. Okay. The central government's ordinance was criticized by the AAP government, that is the ruling party of National Capital of Delhi, for attempting to control law and order and the bureaucracy in Delhi. So basically there was the political issue involved. There was a political issue obviously कि दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट के प्रिवेल करेंगे जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला है, या जो ऑर्डिनेंस पास हुई है जिसमें बोला गया है कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, CGS फॉर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट विल बी डीलिंग विद द इश्यूज रिगार्डिंग द पोस्टिंग, अपॉइंटमेंट, विजिलेंस ऑफ द ग्रेड A ऑफिसर्स. ओके, द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ऑर्डिनेंस वाज क्रिटिसाइज्ड ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि उनके हाथ से पावर जा रही थी, तो इट वाज क्रिटिसाइज्ड बाय the government of Delhi for attempting to control law, order and bureaucracy in Delhi. Delhi Service Bill was introduced to convert the ordinance. The bill जो introduce किया गया था was introduced to convert the ordinance into law, granting power to the centrally appointed bureaucrats to overrule the elected CM and senior officers in the Delhi government. Okay. So let's know something कि why the bill was introduced, इसकी क्यों हमें आवश्यकता पड़ी. In May 2023, क्योंकि दोनों आपने देखा 11th में and 19th में, obviously a 5-judge constitution bench ruled the Delhi government has legislative and executive powers over administrative services in the national capital. Okay, इसमें एक point हम ऐड करते हैं. Executive head of country is the prime minister of the country and executive head of state government is the governor of the state. Okay, and nominal head of the country is the president of the country. Okay, so these are few little pointers which we need to see. Yes, तो क्या issue raise हुआ था कोर्ट के सामने कि whether the Delhi government headed by the elected chief minister or the lieutenant governor appointed by the president would have control over services and civil servants, that is grade A officials in Delhi. So why now there are tug of war between the chief minister, the state government and the governor's government ki who will be ruling them, कौन उनको instructions, orders, appointments करेगा. क्या held हुआ था कोर्ट में? Delhi government will have control. Supreme Court said that Delhi government will have control over services in Delhi. Such control will not extend to the subjects of police, public order and land over which the central government has exclusive power. Okay. And the 2023 judgment, ये जो judgment दिया था, ये reaffirm किया गया था 2018 judgment में, जिसमें similar viewpoint दिया गया था that Supreme Court had ruled that the Lieutenant Governor, LG's Lieutenant Governor, did not have independent decision-making powers and was bound to follow the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers. Okay. रिजल्ट क्या हुआ इस जजमेंट का जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने दिया? दैट द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ नेशनल कैपिटल टेरिटरी ऑफ दिल्ली, दैट इज एनसीटी दिल्ली, of Delhi Amendment Ordinance 2023 was promulgated by the central government. The Delhi Services Bill repeals the ordinance. Okay. Now, the result of the judgment भी हमने देखा क्या रहा. अब हम करते हैं कि what is, हमने सब कुछ जान लिया कि अच्छा there was a tug of war between the governor and the state government of Delhi. तो and regarding a bill, क्या थी ये bill? What is the bill? So जानते हैं bill के बारे में sorry. Yes. Let's get to know about the bill. The Delhi Services Bill, officially known as the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Bill 2023, has been passed with total 131 votes in favor and 102 against in Rajya Sabha. So basically, ये bill pass हो चुकी है in the House of Parliament. It aims to replace an existing ordinance that caused conflicts between Aam Aadmi Party led by the Delhi CM and the central government. The bill was introduced by the Union Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, in the Lok Sabha on August 3, 2023. Achha, current Union Home Minister is Mr. Amit Shah, and the first Union Home Minister was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, this is a GK pointer for you. It was passed by Lok Sabha. The bill was passed by Lok Sabha on August 6, 2023, and by Rajya Sabha on August 7, 2023. The bill gives central government control over the bill. क्या करती है? The bill gives central government, Supreme Court के against जो है, control over the appointment, transfer and posting of all bureaucrats in the Delhi government. Okay. अब इस बिल के कुछ की फीचर्स जानते हैं. ठीक है. The bill establishes the National Capital Civil Services Authority. बिल एक अथॉरिटी establish करती है जिसका नाम है National Capital Civil Services Authority. It will be abbreviated as NCCSA. Okay. क्या काम है? क्यों establish की गई ये अथॉरिटी? ये अथॉरिटी इसलिए establish की गई, पहला, to make recommendations to the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi on certain matters related to services. क्या अब कुछ मैटर्स के लिए रिकमेंडेशन देने के लिए ये अथॉरिटी बनाई गई? ये मैटर्स में क्या क्या इंक्लूड करता है? ट्रांसफर एंड पोस्टिंग्स. ओके. देन मैटर्स रिलेटेड टू विजिलेंस एंड डिसिप्लिनरी प्रोसीडिंग्स. The second point, the authority will consist of the chief minister. Authority क्या क्या मतलब who would be the members of the authority? First is the chief minister of Delhi as chairperson. Second is the principal home secretary of Delhi government, and third is the chief secretary Delhi of the government. We have to remember this. And the third point is the central government will appoint both the principal. Who will appoint? The central government will appoint both. कौन कौन both में आएगा? The principal home secretary and the chief secretary of the authority. The decisions of the authority will be based on majority vote of the members present and voting. Okay, and the quorum for a meeting is of 2 people. Right. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज द पावर्स ऑफ लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर. उसकी क्या पावर्स होंगी? पहले तो हमने अथॉरिटी देख ली. सेकेंड की फीचर है इसका कि the bill stipulates that in areas where LG is authorized to exercise discretion, the LG will make decisions based solely on his discretion. जहां उसको अथॉरिटी मिली है LG को, स्पेसिफिकली उसी की डिस्क्रिशन में वो अपने हिसाब से ही solely on the basis of his own discretion he'll make that decision. Second is it expands the discretionary role of LG. वो LG का obviously रोल बढ़ाता है by giving him powers to approve the recommendations of the authority or return them for reconsideration. And third is if there is difference of opinion between LG and the authority, the decision taken by the LG will prevail. So he has got the upper hand according to the bill. Okay. I hope this is clear. Right. Sorry. Yes. So next slide is another point, that is matters subject to Lieutenant Governor. Certain matters must be submitted to LG through Chief Minister and Chief Secretary for his opinion prior to the issue of any order. ये मैटर्स क्या क्या इंक्लूड करते हैं? ये मैटर्स इंक्लूड करते हैं द पीस एंड ट्रैंक्विलिटी ऑफ दिल्ली. सेकेंड इज रिलेशंस बिटवीन दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट एंड द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट और अदर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स. थर्ड इज समनिंग, prorogation and dissolution of the legislative assembly, and matters in which LG is to give an order in his sole discretion. Okay. The bill और क्या क्या प्रोवाइड करता है? The bill also provides for mechanism for the resolution of disputes. कि if there is a dispute तो उसका resolution method भी mention करता है between the central government and the Delhi government on matters related to the appointment, transfer and posting of grade A officials. The bill also gives the central government the power to create new posts. वो central government को power भी देता है to create new posts and abolish existing posts in the Delhi government. आप देख रहे हैं कि how much power he is getting via this bill. Oh, sorry, there's some problem going on with the board. Yes. Criticism. इस bill को obviously criticism तो आया था, and criticism majorly our MP Shashi Tharoor did. So basically he said that the bill undermines the separation of powers and federalism. Tharoor claims that the bill is an assault on democratic history and federal spirit. Other leaders assert that the bill seeks to diminish the powers of an elected government, but I don't think this is the case. But everybody has their own opinions. मेरा भी कुछ opinion हो सकता है, आपका भी कुछ opinion हो सकता है, ठीक है? So it's okay. We have freedom of speech, but obviously with restrictions, right? Government response क्या था on Delhi Service Bill? Let's have a look at that. The government of India has defended, उसने defend किया है Delhi Services Bill 2023, saying that it is necessary to ensure the smooth functioning of the administration in Delhi. The government has also said that bill does not take away any powers from the Delhi government but only clarifies the existing arrangement. बिल कोई दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट से पावर नहीं ले रहा है जो उसके जो दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट के परव्यू में नहीं है. एज पर आर्टिकल 239AA वो उन जो एक्सक्लूडेड है उस एरिया में वो उसका बस क्लियर डिमार्केशन कर रहा है कि ये आपकी पावर नहीं है, ये हमारी पावर है, एंड वी आर डूइंग दैट. Also, in a statement, the Ministry of Home Affairs said that the bill is aimed at bringing clarity in the existing arrangement for the appointment, transfer and posting of officers in the Delhi government. The ministry said that the bill does not in any manner take away the powers of the Delhi government, and I think this is True, it does not. Okay. I hope the topic, the bill was clear to you, and if there is something which you would like to add or you want me to deal with, do let me know in the comment box. Also, if you're watching this video for the very first time and you are liking our ongoing series, do please like us, subscribe us, so that you can get to know about the next video whenever we upload it. Thank you.